Why automate your bill payments?
Automating bill payments helps you avoid late fees, saves time, and brings peace of mind. By organizing recurring expenses in personal finance apps, you ensure bills are paid on time, stay on top of your budget, and reduce the stress of manual tracking. It's a foundational step in building strong money management habits and keeping your financial life running smoothly.
Choosing the right personal finance app.
Popular budgeting apps like Mint, YNAB, and Simplifi offer automated payment features. Before setting up automation, consider what you need. Some apps connect directly with banks, while others focus on reminders and tracking. Research which platforms support automatic bill pay integration for your bank or service provider, and select one that fits your comfort with digital tools.
Linking your bank and billers.
Connect your bank accounts and add your billers within the chosen app. Most apps prompt you to verify your identity and securely link accounts. Adding billers, such as utility companies or credit cards, allows the app to monitor due dates and amounts. This sets the stage for hands-free payment, accurate tracking, and timely alerts if any issues arise.
Scheduling and customizing payments.
In your app's bill management section, select which bills to automate. Set up payment rules, like paying the minimum, statement balance, or full amount. Choose dates that work for your cash flow and review all payment details before confirming. Some apps allow editing or skipping individual payments if needed, offering flexibility while keeping your finances on track.
Monitoring and maintaining automation.
Regularly check your app's dashboard to ensure bills are being paid as expected. Review notifications for failed payments, upcoming due dates, or changes in bill amounts. Update connected accounts and billers when necessary, such as after changing banks. Keeping an eye on your setup helps catch errors early and ensures your automation continues working smoothly.